Hello guys, you are welcome back to the channel. So this is Honda. The owner of this car came to our shop and it said the car is consuming a lot of fuel. So although I've scanned and the code wasn't the master flow, so but what I saw with my scan was the O2 sensor. So what we are going to do is to bring out the oxygen sensor, which is this. We are going to bring it out and check if it's dirty or clogged, then we wash and put back. So I'm going to disconnect the connector. Look, there is the connector. I'm disconnecting. Then check for the spanner, 22 millimeter. Promise. So you can see that the O2 sensor is very dirty. So what we are going to do is to wash. So this could be the reason why your car fuel consumption is high. So you just have to use carbon choke or better still any other cleaning equipment to clean the oxygen sensor, and once you are done with that, then you fix back and watch the result. So this is a simple way we have used to resolve a lot of fuel consumption issue, and also the airflow sensor. So hope you will find the video helpful. Do well to like, subscribe and comment for more.